my new baby. My new beautiful best friend. Novete. I love it. Had it for about a day and a half, but I've done a ton of loads and I'm so incredibly happy to have this beautiful machine to get stuff done that I don't have to stand here and do every single dish by hand. Already changed my life in one day. This is exactly what I was hoping and wanting and wishing, to be able to just load some dishes up and go to sleep knowing that there'll be some clean stuff in the morning and that I don't have to do every single dish one at a time by hand when they literally make machines to do it. Just like washing machines. And then the light goes off after a while and tells you exactly how long. And then if you actually need something or whatever, you can open it for a second. So it is small, but so far it's been great. And move that down a little. And you close it up. And like I said, it's only been a day, but because of the fact that I have not had a dishwasher all this time, I've had dishes stacking up. And it's just gotten really, really, really out of hand. And then when it got like completely out of control, then it just felt just insurmountable. And now I have my little Wally Novete friend. She is the cutest little thing. I have her on a little table. I bought a little cart. I have to still put it together. And this is my new best friend, helping me have a neat and tidy home. Because I'm a neat and tidy person with a neat and tidy home. So I'm actually, some things I'm washing and then putting away in the cabinet. Some things I'm washing and then putting in a donate box because I just don't need. Let me see, I'm trying to see like the bottom, the super soapy stuff. I can't. Let's see. I'm trying to get the camera to see like the sudsy stuff on the bottom. So, whoop, and then it goes off. So I'm happy with my new mini countertop Novete portable dishwasher